Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai has just released a very rare video showing its quality control and attitude. We have a strict quality control and attitude. The latest official Tesla video from Gigafactory Shanghai says Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai has begun mass producing Model Y for delivery in China and Asia, as well as export to Europe, Australia and other key markets. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up if you like this video, please. Well, let's take a look at the video first and then talk about it, and then I'll let you know what the community says about this video and about Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai in general. So Holzmar's catalog says Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai has begun mass producing Model Y for delivery in China, Asia, as well as export to Europe, Australia and other key markets. So friends, you're saying a very rare, interesting video you just saw on your screen. You can see how impactful and forward-looking is the things going on in China. So Tesla says we have a strict quality control and attitude. I mean, you can see that this latest promotional videos from Tesla's China official Waibo account and shows that how Tesla is more than a sum of its parts because we have rigorous quality control and attitude, says China. Friends, you know, if Ray for Tesla, who always provides tweets at Ray, who tweets at Ray for Tesla Twitter account, has a comment saying Giga Shanghai produced a total of 214,545 electric car units of Model 3 and Model Y by the end of July this year. If the recent rumor of daily production rate of 1,800 units is true, Giga Shanghai may produce approximately 488,000 electric vehicles combined, Model Y and Model 3, in 2021. I said the combined rate of 1,800, quoting Ray, because a couple of days ago we reported that Tesla Giga Shanghai reached 1,000 electric Model Y units per day and 800 Model 3 units a day. So this is why he said if the rumor of daily production rate of 1,800 units is true, Giga Shanghai may produce approximately 488,000 electric vehicles in 2021. Factoring in a few possible shutdowns and maintenances and other variables, the realistic number could be approximately 450,000. I think this is the capacity, right? Is the 450,000 right? Close to 500,000 is the capacity of Giga Shanghai. If I'm mistaken, please let me know in the comment section below, please. So people are asking Ray, what are your thoughts thoughts on Xpeng? They are expanding capacity a lot and have high ambitions. I see a bright future for them. And Xpeng is one of the leading electric vehicles producers in China. Ray says it could be a good bet. They are working to expand the current factory in Guangdong, also plan to build another one in Wuhan. Other people are saying, wow, if each Gigafactory can produce approximately 500,000 electric cars, electric Teslas, that is about 2 million cars from the current 4 Gigafactories. This is true. And other people say a lot more. I can easily see 1 million run rate out of Gigafactory Berlin by 2023 and 1.2 to 1.3 million electric vehicles from Gigafactory Texas by 2023, ultimately reaching 2 million electric Tesla vehicles by 2024 in Texas. And I am being extremely conservative, says another Tesla and Twitter user on Twitter. So friends, what do you think? Now, first of all, in order for Giga Berlin to reach its capacity, it needs to first be approved. You know that we're expecting the Giga Berlin's approval sometimes in October, around October 9, because Elon Musk has mentioned that date as a company tour for local Brandenburg visitors and the media and public in general, some kind of an Oktoberfest. I reported last night that the Russians officially have invited Russian Space Agency and its director Dmitry Rogozin has officially invited Elon Musk to the launch of MS-19 space crew rocket to Soyuz MS-19 to the space. They're going to shoot a movie there, and I don't know if Elon Musk is going to accept it. Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson have also been invited by Russian Space Agency. So if Elon Musk accepts this invitation, he is going to be in Russia, actually in Kazakhstan, because the launch is from Baikonur, which is in Kazakhstan, and then he probably will fly back to Berlin for the October 9th event in Berlin. But so in order for Tesla to reach this capacity of millions of production, first Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Texas need to come online. But it's really good to see things really moving forward at Gigafactory Shanghai. And I haven't reported anything long time ago from Fremont. If anyone knows how things are going in Fremont, please let us know in the comment section below. Other people are saying about this rate of production in China, conservatively assuming 500,000 cars will be from Fremont and 5,000 each from Berlin and Texas. 960,000 total annual production will far exceed the street consensus. Tesla is unstoppable, says another Twitter user, Marsman. I said 5,000, I should have said 500,000. So conservatively speaking, 500,000 Tesla cars from Fremont and 500,000 from Berlin and Texas, and this should exceed the expectation, right? Now, so if this is true, some people are saying that we may blow away Q3 numbers. I don't know what the Q3 expectations are, but we'll see how things go. Another person says, Ben Friedman says on Twitter, Elon said on a conference call last year, I think that the Q3 plus Q4 of next year, meaning Q3 and Q4 of 2021, will be amazing. I'm paraphrasing because it's been a while, but there was something in his voice when he said it that made it stick in my head, says Ben Friedman. I think I've heard something like this too, friends, because in this case, we can see that the world coming out of this virus, 2020 was a very difficult year. Now 2021 is starting to recover somehow, and that Q3 and Q4 may be but much better for Tesla. Now, disclaimer, I am not a Tesla stockholder. I am not in the stock market at all. I just report news, friends. So another person says, or the production rate can continue to improve and Giga Shanghai might produce 550,000 cars this year. Cannot underestimate Chinese efficiency and productivity. So, I think this is good. Giga Shanghai and only potentially producing the same volumes. Gigafactory Nevada is going to do more, I think, when the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi come on board. But first we need to hear from the batteries, Tesla batteries, and see how things are going with the new 4680 batteries. Another one person is asking, asking, does the Shanghai Model Y use both front and rear Giga press casting or only rear? Because production will only improve once both castings are included in design. I know that Giga Shanghai was using casting at Giga press, but I don't know whether it's both rear and front, because I remember a couple of days ago there was a question about the new Model Ys coming to Europe. I asked people, because they were used by Giga presses, they were built using Giga presses. I asked people, do you guys know if there is any update on how is the drive, because they're used with Giga press. Now, every time I speak about Giga Shanghai, people always have comments about the Giga Berlin. People, for example, in my comments say the German bureaucracy should watch this factory, meaning Giga Shanghai, as it moves forward. This is how governments should be able to work together with a company, not the way they are trying to stall Berlin factory with endless permits and talk. Well, I have to be honest, friends, Brandenburg authorities have been really good with Germany. It's the German law. Every time you make a change in the program of your Gigafactory, you have to go through a long process. That's the law. That's not the officials. In fact, the officials speak in favor of changing the law, and we see a lot of support coming to Giga Berlin. But, it's good to know that things are moving forward at Giga Berlin. And again, another comment says, I'm surprised German voters don't push for reduction in mounting regulations and laws that hamper progress of their economic growth and causing delays in public and commercial projects. Berlin Airport is right in front of their eyes. The project has been delayed for nearly a decade, breaking record in projects that are done in third world countries. Well, you see, people are always talking about how they're comparing Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai. But so far, it's good to see good progress at Gigafactory Shanghai. Let me know your thoughts, friends, about this video that Tesla has released official footage from this promotional video from Giga Shanghai. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news that happens within hours, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Peace be with all of you, and God bless you all.